Alright guys, today's lesson should be pretty simple. It's just writing inequalities from a graph. So basically what I gave you guys is this diagram to help you if you need it. But mostly it's just what you have to do is understand what the graph is saying. So basically all you have to do is two things. The first is notice the open circle right here. So here I have an open circle. What does an open circle mean? Well, it means either less than or greater than, right? So, okay, that's an open circle. How do I know if it's either of them? Well, these are numbers highlighted that are greater than 5. So what does this inequality number show? That x has to be greater than 5. So same thing. It's an open circle, which means it's either less than or greater than, not less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. And here we're highlighting numbers that are greater than 3. So again, x has to be greater than 3. So here we have open circle still, but the line is now pointing to the left. So that's numbers that are smaller than 3. So you would just put x is less than 3. Now just remember that again, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, if it's open towards x, that means x is greater. If it's turned away from x, like here, so if I have x is greater, the sign is open towards the x. If I have x is less than, the sign is turned away from the x. So this, because the circle is closed, that means x is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, because the 5 is included into these values. So this would tell me that x is greater than or equal to, because the number line is highlighting numbers that are greater than or equal to 5. And really that's all you do throughout this whole thing. I gave you guys an easy skill for Friday, so have fun with it and let me know if you have questions. The last one I'm gonna go over, this is 8, and all the numbers are highlighted that are greater than 8, but also the circle is closed, so that would mean x is greater than or equal to 8. And that's all you gotta do. Pretty simple.